Welcome to IPS-Ingredis. If you want to register, you just have to go on the main page, and on the right side there is a blue button called Register Now. If you click on it, you can fill in the information about you, your company, the address, and also the products you're interested in. After you fill in your details, you will see a notification that your registration was submitted. Afterwards, you will receive 2 emails. The first one is a confirmation email that we received your registration, and the second one is an email that you will receive after we approve your registration. It also includes your login details. When you're logged in for the first time, you will have access to detailed product information. You can read the latest market insights that we publish on a regular basis, and you can see the events and trade fairs where you can find us. When you find the product you are looking for, you can easily request a quote online, and we will come back to you within 24 hours. If you have questions, you can use our chat functionality. The chat button is placed on the bottom of the right side on the website. And now we are looking forward to welcome you soon on our platform.